Supervised training in partner hotels or restaurants. Agro-Italian Academy practical hospitality experience. Objectives of the supervised training. Gain hands-on experience in real hospitality environments. Apply classroom knowledge to professional situations. Understand standards of service, teamwork, and hygiene, learning through practice. Observe professionals and learn from their experience. Ask questions and seek feedback daily. Use mistakes as opportunities to improve and grow. Professional conduct: be punctual, respectful, and responsible. Represent Agro-Italian Academy with pride. Follow all workplace rules and hygiene standards. Daily work and responsibilities: arrive on time and wear a clean uniform. Review daily tasks and objectives with your tutor. Maintain organization and cleanliness throughout your shift. Communication and teamwork: work collaboratively with colleagues and supervisors. Communicate clearly and politely with guests. Support others during busy service periods. Reflection and growth: keep a daily log of your activities and learning. Identify your strengths and areas for improvement. Use this experience to prepare for your future career. Next lesson. Final project, or thesis: culinary innovation. Agro-Italian Academy Culinary and Hospitality Department.